Many people don't realise that excess earwax buildup can affect how securely earbuds fit inside the ear canal. At Hearing First East Finchley, our experienced audiologists provide professional microsuction earwax removal designed to safely improve ear comfort and hearing clarity. When earwax builds up, it changes the shape of the ear canal, causing blocked ears, muffled hearing, or tinnitus. That's why searches for professional microsuction treatment are growing among regular earbud users. We use controlled medical suction and specialist visual guidance to gently remove excess wax without the need for water. Conveniently located inside Cootes Pharmacy in East Finchley, our clinic offers trusted hearing care throughout North London. Many patients notice immediate improvement, clearer hearing, better comfort, and a perfect earbud fit. If your AirPods keep slipping or your ears feel blocked lately, book your appointment with Hearing First East Finchley today.